Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the listing ceremony of Zeal Aqua Limited. We'd like to begin with the national anthem, so may I please request all of you all to stand.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
We'd like to begin by inviting the senior management of the company to the dais. Could we have Mr. Shantilal Patel, Chairman and Managing Director, on the stage? Mr. Pradeep Navik and Mr. Rohan Navik, whole-time directors. Mr. Ajay Thakur, Head SME Segment. Mr. Rohan Navik, Mr. Ajay Thakur, and Mr. Devendra Shah. He also? Okay. Not to be forgotten, Mr. Neeraj Kulshestra, please, of the Bombay Stock Exchange. Actually, I'm sorry, just before you all sit, we'd like to also invite you down to the, for the lighting of the lamp, all of you all. May I now request Mr. Ajay Thakur, Head of SME Segment, Bombay Stock Exchange, to speak.
Honorable Chairman Sri Shantilal Patel ji, MD Sri Pradeep Naik ji, Pawan Naik, Devendra ji, our Chief Business Operations BSc Sri Neeraj Kulshestra ji, distinguished guests, family members of Zeal Aqua and the team Zeal Aqua. Very good morning to all of you and welcome to BSc. If you see this international convention hall, it's a very lucky hall for most of the companies which got listed on BSE. And same way we have seen on BSE SME platform also. So altogether, 141 companies, if we see, they have grown, they have raised almost 1,060 crores. But if you see the market capitalization of 141 companies, it is almost 11,000 crores. So from this, you can make out how the companies have progressed after getting listed on BSE SME platform. I still remember Pradeep ji has come to BSE to give a presentation. I think you have come, right? And you have also come. And I have seen the presentation. Let me tell you, we are in the financial world. We don't understand much of the operations of the company. But when he has given the presentation and shown us the operations that he is doing in the city of Gujarat, which I was not ever thinking that this type of activity is also being done in Gujarat, especially Surat, very not far away from Bombay. I got very excited, and I keep on requesting him to get listed as early as possible. And at that point of time, I think the meeting was with Pentamoth. And after that, I keep on asking, I have never troubled him, but I kept on asking the merchant banker why this company is not getting listed on BSE, SME. And I was very eager that, because if you get the company listed, and such a good company, a great company, I think that it will give a lot of credibility to BSE SME platform. And your listing will take us to the SME platform also to the new heights, as time is running out. So I wish you all the best and hope that the company will achieve new heights. Thanks a lot.
Please gather around the gong. Everyone's invited. And as we have the last 10 seconds, I invite all of you to join in counting down.
Good morning to all of you. Mr. Ajay Thakur, promoter of SME segment of, head of the SME segment of BSE Limited, promoters of GIL Limited, dignitaries on the dais and other invitees. On the auspicious occasion of listing ceremony of GIL Limited, I am delighted to speak few words about the GIL Limited and its promoters. As a merchant banker to the GIL Limited, issue of GIL Limited, I have come across and I have a chance to discuss with the promoters about their business strategy, business, depth of the business, everything. And I was very much impressed about the way in which they are taking interest in the business. In fact, they are from the grassroots worker to this level. They have come to this level. So according to me, they are one of the best promoter for this company. And as far as they are concerned, they have started their business on individual basis with 2 aqua farm ponds. Slowly, gradually, they have expanded the business and they have taken into a corporate level wherein they have, as on today, they have their own 160 ponds wherein shrimp farming is in progress. They are undertaking the shrimp farming activities in 160 ponds, and in addition to that, they have a satellite farming wherein more than 1,000 ponds are there. They are carrying out this activity in that farm also. In addition to this, they are also dealing with these allied materials and supplies also. According to me, they are the promoter. They are going to speak in this activity, and they will be more better to explain you their business. But as far as I am concerned, as a merchant banker, as a part of due diligence, I was much more impressed by them, by their activities and other things. Actually, in fact, I'm also, at this moment, I convey my best wishes to the promoters of GIL Equa Limited as well as the company, and I'm sure they will take to the new height to this company at a very high level. I'm sure that the company will grow very fast and very actively they are going ahead. At this juncture, I also take note of the wholehearted support extended by official of BSE, especially Sri Ajay Thakur. I also take note of the positive cooperation extended by other mediatories such as Registrar and Share Transfer Agent Big Shares and Practicing Company Secretary Mr. Ranjit Kejriwal and other agencies too. We have also got support from the key managerial personnel, especially from Shailendra Singh, CFO of GIL Equa Limited. I feel proud and appreciate the utmost dedicated services rendered by my own team. My own team is here. I request them to stand up and give a big hand to them. Again, I convey my best wishes to the GIL Equa and their promoters. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Devendra Shah. I now call upon Praveen Navik to speak. Pradeep. No, Praveen Navik.
Good morning, everybody. I'm very much happy, excited, and I don't know what to say, but I'm happy today. Neeraj Saab, Ajay Saab, Devendra Saab, our Sandeep Bhai, Rohan, and my friends who have made it to this hall. I'm very thankful to you all, my staff, my accounts, my finance, my technical people, all who are present here. I'm very thankful to you all. GIL has seen dreams. GIL means we are going to do it and we will make it. As I always tell you all, we are at war. Because as Sir said, that we are doing non-veg business in a vegetarian state, which makes it more difficult. But we have made it in 20 years. We are expecting now our government also, central government also, we are expecting them to allot more land and develop this business into a very big business. Sir, it can go up to the heights of textile or chemical or diamond business in Gujarat. This aquaculture, prawn culture can also grow up to that level. And we are working in that direction. So we had no intention of coming to this podium, but as people say that luck will always carry you with your hard work. So my great-grandfather, father, myself, Rohan, and now Chris, we had, our family, we Naviks had that zeal to do something. And all the generations have come to a certain level higher. We have come to this level, and we are very much proud of it, sir, that we are join your family. And with your cooperations and help, I think we will reach the main board very soon. And I promise all my investors that our company is honest. We are honest in doing our work. We are honest in doing our business. We are honest in paying our taxes. And we will be honest to our investors. I hope everyone else who have not come into GIL will also join and make us successful in our going to our journey towards the main board. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Pradeep. I now call upon Mr. Naveen, Rohan Navik to address the camp.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Rohan, one of the directors of Zeal Aqua. First of all, thank you very much, everybody, for making it here through all the traffic and everything in early starting. We have Sir Ajay sir and Neeraj sir. We are very thankful from Zeal Aqua side for giving us the opportunity to get listed on the Bombay Stock Exchange SME board. And hopefully with the work which you are doing, everybody is recognizing us. We will very soon be on the main board with all the wishes. Just like to give you a small introduction about our company, what we have been doing. We are a very small company. We started very small as 2 people joined together. It was a private limited company. From there on, what changed for us is we invest a lot of money into our technology, into our people, into our staff, and due to that, it's giving us an edge over the other people. Where people used to produce about 5 tons an hectare, our company is managing to produce 25 tons per hectare. That is almost 5 times the amount of production that we do in the same amount of land. And that is only possible due to the hard work of our staff, the account staff, the staff which is working in the field, and everybody who is associated with Zeal Aqua. I would like to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you. Going ahead, I would like to even thank our advisors, our CAs, our CS, Mr. Ranjit Bhai, our loan advisors, Kumbhat Advisors Private Limited, our very old and only tax consultant, Mr. Mukesh Bhai. Thank you really. Thank you a lot for sticking with us and believing in us that we can do it. And yes, we have reached this day that we can say that we have really reached to some place. Going ahead, I would really take I'll just take a few more minutes, sorry. I would like to even thank our family, especially the ladies, for keeping with us and bearing us in all the hard moments and making us and sticking with us and making our family strong and letting us do what we really do best, that is farming. And I rest assured, thank you, full and last thanks to all the investors who have believed in us. And thank you so much for believing in us and investing your money, and hope we will work honestly and truly towards a better future for you and as well as the company. So thank you so much for everything. Last, but the most important thing I would like to say is I personally dedicate this success to one person who I have always looked up to, and that's my grandfather, Ratilal Navik. Today he's not here with us, he's back home in Surat, but he is a very important part of this success still. Although he's not working, but he is the most important part right now in the success of Zeal Aqua also. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Rohan Navik, for sharing such insights and facets about the company. I now invite Mr. Neeraj Kulshrestha to present a memento to Mr. Shantilal Patel. And Mr. Shantilal Patel, Chairman and Managing Director, to present a memento to Mr. Neeraj Kulshrestha.
Excuse me. Sir.
will ask Mr. Mr. Kulshreshtha to please also present a trophy, a memento to Mr. Ajay Thakur. Invite Mr. Patel to present a memento to Mr. Devendra Shah. I now request Mr. Neeraj Kulshreshtha to present a trophy to Mr. Pradeep Navik. And one to Mr. Rohan. Yeah, you can please sit. I ask Mr. Devendra Patel, Mr. Devendra.
So we would like to give one memento from our company side to Ajay sir, please. Can you be on stage, please? Please, sir. Thank you, sir. So we would just want to give a vote of thanks on the dais, on all the members who have represented over here and spared their valuable times for the company, as well as we hope all the best and for the good wishes to the company to grow in such a manner that what they have presented in the past history, they grow in same manner in the future too. So all the best, sir. And thank you, sir. Please have a round of applause because they have been very good as concerned with the company. Thank you. We would also like to call Mr. Shantilal Deshwar, who is a banking advisor to the company. Mr. Jain Patel, who is representing on behalf of Shanti Deshwar, who is not in a position to come on today. So he's one on the part of the Mr. Shanti Deshwar. Banking advisor. And sir, last but not least, on the part of the company, Shailendra Singh Patil, who is the CFO of the company, who has given his best to submit all the documents to the stock exchange as well as to the merchant bankers. Vinod sir. Today Ranjit sir has not been present, so please Vinod sir. Kejriwal, who has been pioneer in consulting in practicing CS to the company.
Before taking memento, I will take 2 minutes. I thank BSE Stock Exchange to promote this SME platform. And second person is Mr. Ajay Thakur, who give these heights to this SME platform. This is my second bell ceremony I am attending here. First was 51st of CV Shipping Corporation Limited, and now this is second Jeel Aqua Limited. Jeel का मतलब होता है नरम, मुलायम, सॉफ्ट. तो ये सॉफ्ट चीज़ ही पैदा करते हैं और मैं इनसे उम्मीद करता हूँ कि ये अपने इन्वेस्टर्स को भी वैसा ही नरम नरम खाना देंगे और इतना खुश करेंगे कि हम इनका 2 साल बाद 2018 में मेन प्लेटफॉर्म पर लाएं और इन्वेस्टर्स इसी तरह से, इसी उत्साह से इसमें भागीदारी करें. थैंक यू. एंड एक चीज़ मैं आपको बोलना चाहूँगा साहब, आप दोनों ही हैं, कुलछत्र साहब और ठाकुर साहब. एसएमई स्टॉक एक्सचेंज की कंपनीज को ये बड़े ब्रोकर्स डिस्करेज करते हैं, ये इनके स्टॉक्स को ट्रेड नहीं होने देते हैं. सो दिस इज़ अ वेरी बैड सेगमेंट एंड डिस्करेजमेंट फॉर द एसएमई स्टॉक एक्सचेंज. वी शुड टेक सम एक्शन ऑन दिस इशू. थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू एवरीवन.
And last but not least, from the Chartered Accountants Perry and Company, Mr. Rakesh Bhai, please come on the stage. Secretary Auditor of the company. Thank you everyone once again for being a participant in this listing ceremony, and we hope future for all the best to the company. And thank you Ajay sir once again for spending your valuable times, and Shitya sir for valuable spending your